In the market to buy a fitness band but don't know where to start? Well, you might want to start here because today I have with me the Fast Track Reflex 2.0. So here are the top 5 things that I liked about this product. So this is how the packaging of the box looks like. Fast Track is promoting some of the key features like call and WhatsApp display, camera control, find your phone. These are the top 3 features that Fast Track is promoting. Other than these, there's 10-day power reserve, vibration alarm, IPX6 water resistant, sedentary reminder, steps taken and calorie tracker, then sleep tracker and OLED display. Let's talk about some of these. So here's my top 5. Alright then, first up, design and display. So as you can see, the design of the band is a regular design. It's just about perfect on my wrist. It's got a watch style clasp, so you can adjust depending on the size of your wrist. The material is quite durable and comfortable. It's not like easy to break, and as far as the display is concerned, it's got a bright OLED display. In the center of the screen, you have a touch button. It's got a horizontal orientation. I think it performs well in not just daylight conditions, but in also low light conditions. So I had no trouble absolutely with the display. It's loaded with tracking capabilities. Like I mentioned earlier, it can track sports activities, distance traveled, your sleep patterns, and of course, it's also got a sedentary reminder, which means that if you've been sitting for a very long time, it will buzz and will tell you to move. And then it's also got an IPX6 rating, which actually makes it water resistant, which allows you to actually play around water without any worries. So just take a dip and you're sorted, don't have to worry. All of those things it can track that I've mentioned above, but you can also get data. Now for that, you need to download an app called the Fast Track Reflex. Connect it via Bluetooth with your phone. The app's user interface is pretty simple, it's user-friendly, and focuses mainly on creating a checklist of activities that will help you improve your performance and will also give you data on the number of calories burnt, on the number of hours that you have slept, and lots more that I spoke about. Features. Now, an interesting feature that this tracker boasts of is taking pictures from your phone but remotely. So you just have to point at the object and use your band to click. And then the other feature that impressed me the most about this is the Find My Phone feature, which is absolutely essential these days. If you are somebody like me who ends up forgetting her phone either in a car or under the sofa seat. So I think that's a great feature. Talking about the battery, the fitness band makes sure that you don't worry about the battery issues, as it comes with a really good battery and can last up to 10 days on a single charge. It's affordable, it's durable, and comes with a great set of features. If I had to explain this product in one line, this is how I would like to explain it. Hope you like this video and let me know your thoughts about this product just in case you happen to buy it. You just have to go to my Instagram @Sumita Kareer, and yes, type away your review, your comments, your thoughts, and everything that you would like to talk about the world of fitness devices, and especially this one if you happen to buy it.